Guys, it's Marky J. Today we're on the small pond, and I was walking over here with the lure earlier, and I figured out that it's not bass that are in here. It's crappie, and I just saw a crappie come and try to get my bait. Using worm on just a little gold hook. Real. Oh. That's not a crappie. Good start off though. Let me get him unhooked for y'all. It's a nice brim. Nice bluegill. See his friends up. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. These guys are nice. All of them. Nice female. Big female. Oh. You see that? I think this might be a shell cracker. Yeah, I think this is a shell cracker. It's a fat one. Hold on. Show y'all how fat this thing is. Don't. What have you been eating? It's a great question. Right, piece of worm right here. Oh, I see some fish. Definitely not right there, but got one. Dang. Man. Hold on a second. This thing is amazing. Look at the colors on this. What the heck? It's a beautiful fish right there. Let me try and get some of this stuff off. That is one beautiful fish. What is this? Can y'all tell me what this is, please? Got our jig for our crappie. You know this is about to kill. If you ever crappie fish, you know that they love little jigs and little fish to eat. So, this is a perfect representation of what they love to eat. So, you know this is about to kill. Crappie. Told you. This little jig would catch the crappie. You guys already know. Our first crappie of the day. Off the little jig. Its spine is in me, but yep, first crappie of the day. Let's get it right back where I cast it at that time. Oh, just saw one swipe at it. I got him. Got a little guy. People are looking at me like I'm crazy because of this hat, but got a good feeling about over here. I don't know what it is, but I feel like I'm about to catch a fish. Oh, that's a bass. How did I know? You heard what I just said. You heard what I just said. I feel like I'm about to catch a fish. I feel like I'm about to catch a fish. He's not a huge bass. It's definitely a dink, but I will take it all day. Off the little grub. Off the grub. Oh yeah. I'll take it. Crappie. Crappie. Hey, Dad. Crappie. Second crappie of the day. The multi-species challenge. Oh yeah. We already caught a crappie, but it's good to catch another one right off this jig. Oh yeah. I think he little one had it. Crappiezio, ha 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 ha. Is that a black crappie?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just like the one I caught at the beginning. I thought they were black crappie. I want to stay fishing. I think this is another colorful one. His colors aren't the same, but they're, oh, really nice. Hold on, I want to show you off. Huh? Yep. Awesome colors.
Yeah.